Is the precise return of DJI NEO 2 really precise? You'll know after watching this video. Hello friends, Fuge is here. It has been raining recently, so I haven't updated for you all. Please understand. Today the weather is clear, so I'm quickly updating for you. Today let's test how precise the return of DJI NEO 2 really is. There are many videos you can check out, friends, and they are all tests I did before with many DJI drones' precise return to home features. Some are centimeter level, some are meter level, including the previous generation of NEO. After testing, it was meter level with a large error. Today we will test the upgraded DJI NEO 2 to see how precise its return to home feature is. First, let me explain today's test. We will have the DJI NEO 2 take off from the ground and hover at about 1 meter for around 30 seconds, allowing its downward vision to recognize the geographical features. Fly to about 500 meters, then we'll press the auto return button to see if it can land on this helipad. If it can't land, we'll see how much the precision return is off. Come on, friends, let's look forward to the performance of the DJI NEO 2 and get ready to start the test. Unlock and take off the DJI NEO 2 with the inward aid. I'll adjust the back of the drone, friends. Take off in place. You see now it's still a bit off.
Do you think it can land on this helipad? Let's wait and see. Let's see how its precision compares to the first generation.
I estimate it's been about 30 seconds, and let's fly out, or let's check its return logic, by the way, switch to sport mode and see if it can reach a speed of 12 meters per second. Right now it's at 8 meters per second. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey, it can fly at a speed of 12 meters per second, like when you push the stick up, it can fly at 12 meters per second, over 510 meters. Now we press the return button, 529. Let's see if it can land on this helipad. We shall see. Return, hold it. It also has this AR return to home feature. Right now I have it set to the optimal route return to home. What's the difference in logic between the optimal route and the set altitude return to home? The set altitude will first ascend and then return, ascending to your preset altitude before returning. The optimal route will execute at the current altitude because this is an omnidirectional obstacle avoidance drone. Only omnidirectional obstacle avoidance drones have optimal route return. Let me tell you, there is no difference in precision return. The drone is back. Where is it? This position has no editing or scene cuts, friends. Let's see if it can truly land on the helipad.
Hey, where did it go?
Where did it go? Oh, it's in this position. Can you see it, friends? There's a black dot right here. It's landing. Wait for it. Oh, no editing throughout. No editing throughout. Here it comes. Hey, I'll step aside. I'll make way. Here it comes. Its landing speed is so slow. Look, it's still returning. You heard the sound from the remote control. Brother Foo's videos focus on authenticity. Come on, pan the camera. Pan the camera. Hey. How did it go over there by itself? Oh my gosh, friends, did you see that just now? Where did it go? Where did it go? It decided that the landing spot wasn't quite right and went over there by itself. Come, look, it's still adjusting its position. Oh my gosh, did I see that right, friends? Just now I was telling everyone I'm holding the remote control in one hand and the camera in the other, with an error of about 1 meter. It just suddenly moved over there by itself, then adjusted itself and landed on the helipad, right on the H point. It's basically zero error. Oh my gosh, with this downward vision, friends, there is an improvement. Previously, the NEO's downward vision had at least a meter of deviation in precise return, so the new product does have certain advantages. Such a small drone, around 2,000, can return so precisely. Friends, I am very satisfied with this result. Are you satisfied? Moreover, let me tell you, when Fuar takes everyone to test this precise return, it doesn't mean that it's extremely precise everywhere. There's a condition. When taking off, you must find a safe place to take off. Do not take off in noisy urban areas or near cliffs or next to tall buildings. Make sure to take off from a flat and level ground somewhere more open. Remote control lost connection, including its black screen. At this time, we can land in a very safe place. Another issue, Fuge reminds everyone, never overly rely on its automatic return. If we can manually return, it's relatively safer to do so. Although the automatic return is quite intelligent, a machine is still a machine, and it provides a safety guarantee in situations beyond our control. Okay, friends, what do you think about the precision return of the DJI NEO 2? You can discuss it in the comment section with Fuge. There will also be many more review videos of the DJI NEO 2 coming up, so feel free to follow Fuge. If you want to see predictions for DJI NEO 2 episodes 2, 3, and 4, as well as all my drone review videos, you can let me know in the comment section. Also on the main screen's lower left corner and in the comment section, you'll find drone accessories personally tested by me. Interested friends can check them out. Additionally, I live stream every night from 8 to 12. If you have any questions, feel free to come chat with me. That's it for the DJI NEO 2 precision return review, friends. Bye.